are many misconceptions about sign language. Not everybody realizes that sign languages are these full-fledged languages that they are. I knew nothing about ASL when I started. What I was really amazed to discover is that a lot of the grammar is actually on the face. The hands are used primarily for lexical items, for individual words, and a lot of the critical grammatical information is expressed through head shakes, head tilts, raised eyebrows, lowered eyebrows, and these kinds of expressions. I became fascinated by seeing how language manifested in this alternative dimension.
Carol and I have been working together for almost 10 years now. There exists no dictionary that's searchable by gesture. Imagine that you're a parent and you have a child who's a native speaker of sign language and they sign a sign that you don't recognize.
If you're studying French, you can just look up the French word in the dictionary. With ASL, precisely because it doesn't have a written form, that's a very difficult proposition. What we'd like to develop is the technology that would allow for a lookup. That is, for the computer to identify what sign it is that you have either produced in front of a camera or that you have identified from a stream of video.
The data that we're collecting for the dictionary project is being collected in a laboratory that has special studio lighting that you'd see in any photographic studio, and video cameras that are synchronized. We've got cameras in front of the subject, one camera to the side so that the annotators can see where the hand position is with respect to the body. And we're also zooming in on the face because things like head nods, head shakes, eyebrow raises, can change the meaning of a sign. A lot of the research in my group is in the area of human motion tracking and human motion analysis. There are all different issues that affect just being able to find the hands in the first place. Once we've located the hands, then we need to track their motion and describe it. That means we need to be able to estimate the hand shape, the hand orientation, and the hand motion.
This is really an interface that we're developing that could have many applications, one of which would be to serve as an interface for a dictionary.
The dictionary itself would contain many examples of sign. Then when you make a query, one way to make a query would be to actually sign to a video camera on your computer, and then it would use that sign as the example to use in searching through the dictionary to retrieve a small list of potential matches. That's the way the interface would work. Our goal is to make it available. And also, eventually, it would be nice to be able to deploy it in courses where students are learning ASL at BU.